Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will solve one numerical problem related to precipitation. The question is, the normal annual rainfall at four stations A, B, C and D in a basin was observed as 75.8, 62.4, 70.7 and 87.3 cm respectively. In a particular year, the station D remained inoperative and rainfall at A, B and C are 85.3, 66.5 and 75.2 recorded respectively. Let's start this with solution. Here the given data are normal annual at station A equals 75.8, normal at station B is 62.4, at station C is 70.7 and at station D is 87.3. So in a similar way, rainfall at particular year at station A is 85.3, at station B is 66.5, at station C is 75.2 and at station D we have to find out, that is, let's say then using the formula P D equals ND, normal annual rainfall at station D by 3 times of PA by NA plus PB by NB plus PC by NC. Now placing the value of all this in the above terms, we'll get 87.3 is divided by 3 times of 85.3 by 75.8 plus 66.5 is divided by 62.4 plus 75.2 is divided by 17.7. On solving this, we'll get the result is 94.6 cm. The rainfall at station D at particular year is 94.6 centimeter, which is the final answer. For this time we end up the video at this much. We'll come again with another new video. Till then, keep on watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.